Hello, Robert 100 Repair. I show you how to remove the center of the light, light for brakes. It's this one. So for that, we need to remove two screws. One, second. It was around, around this position. So as I says, first and second screw, and after that you have many kind of traps. And they actually put bar between this metal and between plastic and pull slightly around. Not fast, just remove the clips. In my case, I didn't make perfect. I made some damages because it was old. So I have broke. It's difficult, but finally I remove. And after that, you have put hand between construction. Be careful because it's sharp. So you have to put hand over there. Once we put inside, you need to put the clips together. This is one clips, second, third, four. So put fingers like this. 1, 2. Put inside. This as well, and pull out from inside and outside in one time. Once that's done, unclip this guy, and then we can remove that one. The next step, it's kind of silly, so I didn't make it right, but you can see there is a one metal on one side and same metal on another side. That's kind of tricky. And for that, I need to hold this part and remove. Oh, it's not easy stuff. Maybe that way. Okay. Let's pull that as well. Please be aware the clip stays somehow here. And I clips won't come out. So you have to put back clips as was before. this. Actually, wait. I'm gonna put out full. Oh, you have it like this. So now there is easy access. With easy access for bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bulbs. I hope that will be visible. And we have a clips here. That clips need to come back. Oh, then run away from here, that's why. Oh, there is more. It's not easy. So again, that clip, it's tricky. The important is that clip must be exactly same as was before, because that come off and change the shape. You have to back to the one off which didn't come off. Check how it looks like. See, in the middle there is small, on the right side, two tiny parts which hold around the plastic, go to the left side from other side. So my advice is just observing exactly how it looks like, and they try to put back as was before. Next step is remove the tiny bulbs. Check bulb multimeter, all of them, and then replace if any burn. So that's the next step. Before, none of them flashing at all. After that, 4 of them flashing. One was kind of damaged. But if I check again, 5 of them flashing. A test by 12 volts battery charger. So they're okay. I think they're dying. Soon will be no more them, but have to buy. So temporarily I have to put that one, like or not. Because it's 5 of them, so maybe it will be okay. Before they put the bulbs, I want to make sure the connection is well. I have to use the kind of contracton for better connectivity, but I don't have. So for now I just put any lubrication. I don't know if it's help. Now I have to wipe. It's not good actually, because it's will be kind of the grease over there. But I'm gonna wipe now. Okay, guys. So this is the part. I replaced 2 bulbs. I need to replace more, but I don't have for now. Now I'm gonna test. Of course, I can test by multimeter, but I'm gonna test here as well. So I'm gonna switch power. This is the just power supply. This is just the battery charger. I connect here. I separate by these clouds, just temporary. You have to be careful against the spark. So if we turn over and we have a positive and negative, so anyway we touch here, it's supposed to be flashing. So I'm gonna hold that for here. It's only 12 volts, so no worries. See? Show that all bulbs must be on. Can you see? All bulbs is on. Yes? 5 bulbs? Good. That's it. So that has been tested. So I put back to the housing. Thanks. Okay, guys. That's come back here. The clips back already in the position, and I hope will be okay. It's not exactly as I want, but supposed to be okay. Please have a look. The corners supposed to match, and now I have to put back. Actually, you can see there is a row on this side and on this side as well. On this side is row, and this as well is row. So you have 4 rows. So that 4 rows supposed to fit here. One moment. Oh, I needed 2 hands, that's why I break. Okay, so 1 goes for that row, 2nd, 3rd, and 4, and I have to push slightly deep. As I says, there is a rows. 1 row go fully in, 2nd fully in, 3rd one row, 4th one row fully in. This another thing. See that mark is fully in. 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 As you seen before, the spray has been put here and then wipe, so connectivity is good. I tested that already. There's one more thing which is important. Just put spray here for that connection. To make sure connection is well. And wipe now. Now the time for test. Connections, plug, socket. There is a row. Can you see that? Look at this. Click. Have you heard that click? Okay. Now test. Okay, start.
Brake only.
Brake.
No clutch.
Release. Okay, now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, 5 bulbs working. Now I have to remove that one. Put back lights inside the gap. Okay, guys. This one need to go inside. I have to check gap this right. No, it's upside down. Remember the shape. So supposed to be like that. Now I have to put my hands. It's not easy because it's sharp material, sharp. So this way is the best of. No, what I'm talking about. No. Sure. Other side. Other side. On this side. Close. Okay, see that line? Let's click. Size inside. The first step before it was put hand inside and touch 2 clips and push outside. Yeah, but if you put back, that need to be from outside to inside, right? So maybe it's possible to see that clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why put the hands, hold the 2 clips and push out. 4 clips. That's it. 2 and 2 and push out. Because I put back, it's very easy because I do that from outside to inside. So that's already it's done perfect. Oh. Let's double check. No, it's a perfect. Okay. Now there is the plug. The plug need to be put inside. It's not easy, and probably you cannot see. Okay. Oh yes. Can you see? Not really, isn't. Maybe not. I think I'm gonna show different way. Like this. Can you hold? Oh, click. Okay, let's close. Oops. Can you test? Brake. Okay, working. And one more. Okay. Okay. It's working. Yeah, one more time. Finish. Yeah. Okay, has been done. It's not easy because the access for this, it's kind of useless, and there is also slack. See, it's easy to remove, so maybe I'm gonna put something else, so we see how it's work. So that's it. Robert 100 repair. This is the reality of the repair. Thank you. Just click like and click button subscribe. Thank you so much.